Children, now we have to discuss about trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Children, here suppose a segment AC of length R is making an acute angle with a ray AB. I am constructing a AB ray nana. Example, this is AB is a ray. Okay, AC of length R is making an acute angle. This is R AC nana. This is okay. This AC is making an acute angle here, which the length of AC is I am taking as R. Is it clear? This height of C from B, height of C from B is BC. BC when AC leans AB. Sorry, I am taking this B here, which is a right angle. Okay, so this AC leans more on AB. More on AB. Okay, this AC leans more on AB. I have taken this triangle, which is right angled triangle. A is an acute angle. Okay, as the angle A, if decreases, the height of C from AB, the height of C from AB ray decreases. This height also it become decreases. If it is decreases, the distance between BC will be also become decreases, and the height of C from AB is decreases, and foot B is shifted from this B goes to, because it is more than this length, then this B automatically shifted, because if it is lesser means automatically it becomes nearer to the AB, so that B is shifted to B1, again it is shifted to some more place. Okay, as the angle A, this angle A decreases, the height of C, from AB okay, from AB ray decreases, and foot B, what happens is this foot B also gradually it is forwarded. B is shifted. Example, like I am drawing this figure. It is shifted. Example, first in the first figure, it is looking like this. When it is decreases, okay, it is the shifted, it is like B to B1. Again, if it is again lesser and lesser, it is lesser and lesser. Example, before this is the B, next it is B1. So when it is again decreases, it is goes to B2. Okay, this C go on decreases. So once you observe here, Nana, shifted from B to B1. And also up to B2. So we shifted like this, and gradually when the angle A this angle A means that theta becomes 0. When it is becomes 0, height which is this height which is BC becomes 0. This BC length become also 0. When it is decreases the theta angle, it is goes to like this. Okay, up to this BC length is this B2C length is lesser than CB1, and it is lesser than CB, like that. When it is theta is gradually becomes 0, the height which is becomes 0. And also nana that AB becomes, this AB gradually it is equal to AC. Which is AB means that is adjacent side. Is equal to, this AB is equal to AC, which is the hypotenuse. Is it clear now? When it is equal to hypotenuse, then we understand that the length of AB is equal to AC, and the height of this BC gradually it is equal to 0. BC is equal to 0. Is it clear now? So in triangle ABC, if theta is becomes 0, that AB is equal to AC and BC length is 0. Now we have, let us see the ratios. Okay, first sine theta. Already sine theta means we know that opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What do we get now? Opposite to theta is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So here BC is 0 and hypotenuse is AC. So 0 by something we say as 0. This is the value of sine theta. Next, cos theta. How can we say the cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. How do we get nana? Adjacent side to the theta. Theta's adjacent side is AB. Okay. Here theta means we treated as 0 nana. This is 0 degree and we are checking the 0 degree only. Adjacent side to the theta is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Okay. But AB is equal to AC. So AC by AC. Then we get 1. Okay. Is it clear? So in the same way, tan theta means tan 0 degree. When it is tan 0 degree, that tan 0 degree means tan theta, instead of the 0 it says theta. What is that? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is BC by AB. So BC is equal to 0, AB is equal to AB only, right? I think So 0 by something, we get 0. Like this, sine 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, and remaining you know already. Cot 0 degree is reciprocal to tan. Otherwise, you write according by the sides, ratio of the sides. Okay, cot 0 degree. That is reciprocal of tan theta. 0 by something, it is undefined. Next, sec 0. It is 1 by cos 0. 1 by cos 0 means AC's reciprocal is AC, 1 only. Cosec 0 degree, it is reciprocal to 1 by sine 0 degree. 0 by 1 reverse, 1 by 0, it is undefined. Is it clear now?